Okay, now we go to frontal lobe.
Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for east central Wabash County, Indiana, west central Huntington County, and northeastern Indiana until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado will be active on the zone. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Andrews around 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Huntington around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Huntington, and Wabash.